The Wim Hof breathing exercise is a breathing exercise developed by Dutchman Wim Hof that is said to have numerous health and psychological benefits. In this method, which is often combined with ice baths, 30 to 40 deep breaths are taken, and after the last deep exhalation, the breath is held. This conscious breathing rhythm is then repeated 3 to 4 times and leads to a state of mind that can be equated with meditation. During breathing, the body takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide from the blood. Human blood is usually fully saturated with oxygen, and deep breathing does not increase this saturation but releases a large amount of carbon dioxide. The brainstem, particularly the pons and medulla oblongata, are sensitive to carbon dioxide and may decrease the respiratory impulse when little carbon dioxide is available in the blood, allowing air to be held longer. Furthermore, there is an increase in the pH of the blood, which is thought to prevent the spread of disease and also the growth of tumor cells. Deep breathing increases oxygen uptake in the body, and vasodilation occurs, which is the dilation of blood vessels. The dilation of the blood vessels causes more blood flow to the muscles and organs, thus increasing the oxygen supply in the body. During air holding, the body then experiences a short-term form of hypoxia, which is a form of stress at the cellular level. The cells do not receive the normal amount of oxygen and their metabolism begins to shift. As a result, the body's sympathetic nervous system is activated and the pathways required to deliver oxygen to the cells are amplified. This can include a number of different symptoms such as increasing red blood cells, increasing lung capacity, improving blood flow, and long-term improvement in metabolic efficiency. During breathing exercise, there is also a controlled release of adrenaline, which is referred to as a positive stressor. MRI analyses showed that during the breathing exercise, the areas of the brain, especially in the prefrontal cortex, decrease in activity while the insula is increased in activity, causing blood to flow to areas of the brain that do not receive much blood flow in normal daily life, resulting in meditative states and euphoria, and effectively supporting mental illnesses such as anxiety disorders, bipolar disorders, and psychoses. Further scientifically proven benefits of the breathing exercise were demonstrated by Wim Hof in 2014. Endotoxins, which cause severe disease progression in normal people when they are in the blood, were injected into various test subjects. Some of the test subjects who did not do breathing exercises and cold training became ill as expected. The other participants took part in a 4-day cold and breathing training and performed breathing exercises during the contact with the pathogen and were shown not to get sick. This is due to the trained group having an increased output of interleukin-10, an anti-inflammatory cytokine, thereby preventing the onset of the disease. Other studies have been conducted that have shown that only by controlling the breath, the body temperature can be regulated and still remain constantly warm in a cold environment. If you want to try the breathing exercise yourself, we have linked the appropriate video for beginners in the description. Further studies are also linked in the description.